90% of car owners are throwing money away at detail shops, spending thousands on services they could easily handle themselves. But here is what they do not tell you. Mechanics and detailers have been keeping these car hacks secret, and one trick alone could save you thousands in detailing costs. You are probably completely unaware of it. Before you waste another dollar, here are 17 car cleaning tricks you need to know about. Do not skip ahead, because this video will save you serious cash. Let's dive right in. Trick number 17, battery terminal protection. Battery corrosion is that crusty white or blue-green buildup on your battery terminals. It looks disgusting, but more importantly, it creates electrical resistance that stops your battery from charging properly. Your car starts having electrical issues. The battery dies early. Eventually, your car will not even start. Dealerships and mechanics charge $50 to $100 to clean battery terminals and apply corrosion protection. They make it sound incredibly technical and complicated, but here is what they are not telling you. It takes about 5 minutes and costs basically nothing. First, disconnect your battery, negative terminal first, always. Spray WD-40 directly on the corroded terminals and let it sit for a few minutes. The solvent breaks down all that corrosion. Scrub with an old toothbrush or a wire brush and the crud comes right off. Wipe everything clean with a rag, then reconnect your battery, positive first, then negative. Want to prevent future corrosion? Spray a light coat of WD-40 on the clean terminals before reconnecting. It creates a protective barrier against moisture and acid vapors that cause corrosion in the first place. A can of WD-40 costs $5 and handles dozens of cleanings over the years. You just saved yourself hundreds in unnecessary battery services. Trick number 16, vinegar glass clarity. Your windshield is supposed to be crystal clear, but somehow it always has streaks, smudges, or that weird film that makes driving at night nearly impossible. You spray expensive glass cleaner, wipe it down, and somehow it looks worse. Here is the secret that actually works. White vinegar and water. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water in a spray bottle. Spray it on your windshield and wipe with crumpled newspaper, not paper towels, because paper towels leave streaks and lint. The acidity in vinegar cuts through oily film, bug residue, and water spots that regular glass cleaners cannot touch. The newspaper is absolutely key. The texture and ink combination creates the perfect streak-free finish. Professional window cleaners have used this method for decades. You just made a whole bottle for about 50 cents. Trick number 15, baking soda. Paint rescue, bird droppings, tree sap, tar spots, bug splatter. All of these do not just look gross on your paint, they are actually acidic and can permanently damage your clear coat if left too long. Most people scrub aggressively with a sponge and barely make progress. But here is the secret formula mechanics have been using for years. Baking soda and water. Make a paste with 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. Apply it directly to the stain and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. The baking soda's mild abrasiveness and alkaline properties break down acidic contaminants without scratching your paint. Gently scrub with a soft cloth in circular motions and the stain lifts right off. Rinse with clean water and the area looks factory fresh. Detailers charge $50 to $75 for paint decontamination services. A box of baking soda costs $2 and lasts years. Trick number 14, shaving cream mirror solution. You are driving in the rain or on a foggy morning, and your side mirrors are useless, covered in water droplets or fog that make it impossible to see anything behind you. Here is what they will not tell you. Regular shaving cream does the exact same job as expensive anti-fog treatments, but there is a catch most internet hacks miss. You need actual foam shaving cream, not gel. Squirt some directly onto the mirror, grab a dry cloth and spread it evenly across the entire surface. Let it sit for about 2 minutes, then buff it off with a clean, dry cloth until the mirror is crystal clear. The shaving cream leaves an invisible hydrophobic coating that repels water and prevents fog for weeks. Rain just beads up and slides right off. Trick number 13. Conditioner tire restoration. Your tires are constantly exposed to sun, rain, road salt, and brake dust. All of it makes them look dull, faded, and dried out. Professional tire shine products cost $10 to $15 per bottle. But here is what detailers have known forever. Hair conditioner is the secret weapon. Apply a small amount to a cloth and rub it into your tires in circular motions. The conditioner penetrates the rubber, restoring flexibility and bringing back that deep black color. It does not sling like cheap tire shine products, and it lasts for weeks, even through rain and car washes. Mechanics charge $40 just to shine your tires during a detail. They are literally using variations of this same trick and marking it up 16,000%. Trick number 12. Baby wipe interior magic. Your steering wheel is legitimately disgusting. Oils from your hands, sweat, dirt, and food residue all touch that wheel and build up over time. It gets that grimy, sticky feeling that no amount of wiping seems to fix. Here is the secret weapon detailers use on every single car: baby wipes. They are gentle enough not to damage leather, vinyl, or plastic, but strong enough to cut through built-up grime and oil. Just grab a baby wipe and scrub your steering wheel. Watch years of grime disappear in real time. Your steering wheel goes from biohazard to showroom condition in under 3 minutes. Mechanics charge $20 to $30 just to clean steering wheels as part of an interior detail. You just did it for about 10 cents. Trick number 11. Rubber glove pet hair miracle. If you have a dog or cat that rides with you regularly, you know the struggle. Pet hair everywhere, embedded in the seats, stuck in the carpet, floating in the air. Vacuuming barely touches it. But here is the professional groomer's trick: regular rubber dishwashing gloves. Put on a pair and rub your hands across the seats and carpet in short, quick strokes. The rubber creates friction that grabs the hair and pulls it into clumps you can just pick up. The rubber generates static electricity that attracts hair, and the texture creates enough grip to pull embedded hair out of fabric fibers. You will pull up more pet hair in 2 minutes with this method than in 20 minutes with a vacuum. Detailers charge $50 to $75 for pet hair removal, and this is exactly what they do. Trick number 10. Dish soap mat revival. Your floor mats take more abuse than almost anything in your car. Salt, mud, snow, dirt, mystery liquids, it all ends up there. Pull your mats out, rinse them with water, then spray them with a mixture of dish soap and water. Use a brush to scrub, rinse thoroughly, and let them dry in the sun. After they are dry, apply a thin layer of tire shine or rubber protectant. It brings back that deep black color and adds protection against cracking and fading. This entire process costs maybe $2. New floor mats cost $150 depending on your vehicle. Detailers charge $40 just to clean your existing ones. Trick number 9. Silicone seal protection. Your door seals are rubber strips that keep water, dirt, and noise out of your car. Over time, they dry out, crack, and start sticking to the door frame. That annoying squeaking sound when you open the door is dried out, sounds crying for help. Spray a light coat of silicone lubricant on all your door seals, trunk seals, and hood seals. Use a clean cloth to spread it evenly and wipe off any excess. The silicone penetrates the rubber, restoring flexibility and preventing cracking. Do this every 3 to 6 months, and your seals will last the entire life of your car. A can of silicone spray costs $5 and will last for years. Trick number 8. Compressed air dent fix. Small dents are frustrating. Body shops charge $200 to $500 per dent for paintless dent removal. For certain types of dents, you can fix them yourself with compressed air and a heat source. Heat the dented area with a hairdryer for about 2 to 3 minutes until the metal is hot to the touch. Then immediately spray the area with compressed air, holding the can upside down so it sprays cold liquid. The rapid temperature change causes the metal to contract, and the dent literally pops out on its own. The whole process takes maybe 5 minutes. Total cost, $10 for compressed air. Trick number 7. WD-40 Rust Prevention. Your car's undercarriage takes constant punishment. Road salt in winter, water, mud, debris, all of it splashes up underneath. Get a couple of cans of WD-40 and a spray nozzle extension. Spray WD-40 liberally on all exposed metal surfaces under the car. Focus on the frame, suspension components, exhaust hangers, and anywhere you see bare metal. The WD-40 displaces moisture and creates a protective barrier against rust. Do this once or twice a year, especially before winter, and you'll prevent thousands of dollars in rust damage. Dealerships offer undercoating services for $300 to $600. Trick number 6. Essential oil air freshening. When you change your cabin filter, put 2 to 3 drops of essential oil directly on the filter before installing it. Use lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, or whatever scent you like. As air flows through the filter into your cabin, it carries that scent with it, naturally freshening your entire car. The essential oil is dispersed in microscopic amounts, just enough to smell pleasant without being overwhelming. It can last for weeks or even months. Dealerships sell cabin filters with built-in fragrance beads for $30 to $50. You just did the same thing for the cost of a few drops of oil, maybe 25 cents worth. Trick number 5. Rice moisture control. Condensation everywhere, fogged windows, and that perfect environment for mold growth. Fill a small cloth bag, or even a clean sock, with dry rice. Tie it off and leave it on your dashboard or under your seat. The rice acts as a natural desiccant, absorbing excess moisture from the air inside your car. Replace the rice every few months. The whole setup costs maybe $1. Dealerships sell moisture absorber products for $10 to $20, and they do the exact same thing. Trick number 4. Graphite lock lubrication. Your car's ignition cylinder contains tiny metal pins that, over time, get sticky. Your key may start getting harder to turn. Here is what locksmiths know. Regular graphite from a pencil is the perfect lubricant. Rub a soft lead pencil all over your key, coating the grooves thoroughly. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it several times. The graphite transfers into the lock cylinder and lubricates those pins. Never use WD-40 or oil-based lubricants in locks. They attract dirt and make problems worse. This 30-second trick prevents ignition problems that could leave you stranded. Trick number 3. Fuel cap. Hook awareness. Open your gas door and look at the inside. See that little hook or slot? That is specifically designed to hold your fuel cap while you are pumping gas. About 95% of drivers completely ignore it. Letting dirt get on your fuel cap allows dirt to enter your fuel system when you screw the cap back on. That can lead to clogged fuel injectors, damaged fuel pumps, and eventually total engine failure. We are talking about a repair bill of $3,000 or more. Just hook your cap while you pump. Trick number 2, DIY wash solution. Forget $15 bottles of car wash soap. Here is the formula: 1/4 cup liquid dish soap, 1/4 cup baking soda, and a bucket of warm water. The dish soap cuts through grease, road grime, and bug residue. The baking soda adds gentle scrubbing power without scratching your paint. You just made an entire bucket of car wash solution for under $1. Detailers use variations of this exact formula, rebrand it, put it in fancy bottles, and charge $15 to $20. Trick number 1, shade washing technique. Washing in direct sunlight is actually one of the worst things you can do to your paint. When soap and water hit hot paint in direct sunlight, they evaporate almost instantly. This leaves behind water spots, soap residue, and streaks that are nearly impossible to remove. The minerals in the water get baked onto your paint by the sun, creating permanent etching that dulls your clear coat. Always wash your car in the shade or on a cloudy day. The cooler surface gives you time to rinse the soap completely before it dries. Total cost, $0, just patience and better timing. If this video just saved you a couple $100 or made you realize you have been overpaying for basic services, hit the like button and subscribe. Your wallet will thank you for sticking around.